Hi, my name is Jean. Today my topic is plant can have memory. Okay, today we need to use a plant called Mimosa Publica to prove this point. Okay, let's first talk about the experiment. This point is considered by an Australian scientist, and she did this experiment at 2000. They used Mimosa Publica to verify their point, which is the plant can have memory. Okay, let's first talk about this plant called Mimosa Publica. This plant, their leaves will close because if they stimulate it, like when you touch them or you try to hurt them, their purpose is to protect themselves. This is very important because the experiments later will talk about this one. Okay, so let's start our experiments. The experiments have two groups. One is experimental group and one is control group. Okay, let's first start our experimental group. The scientist lets the potted plant fall down for a little distance and then stop it immediately. This process will not hurt the plant. They repeat this process for 1 month. For a certain day, this leaves will not stop to close, because I think they considered this stimulated will not hurt them. Also, scientists do it after 1 month, and they also didn't close their leaves. So maybe this proves their point, but then see our control group. Control group scientists drop some water that can really harm them. They also repeat this process for 1 month. But after 1 month, they still closing their leaves. So I think this proves this kind of plants will not be tired by closing their leaves. And when you hurt them, when you keep hurting them, they will keep closing their leaves. But the last one, they didn't hurt the leaves, so they will stop closing their leaves, because maybe closing their leaves need to cost energy, and they stop closing their leaves can save their energy. Okay, let's talk about one special name called habituation. Habituation is the way that plants can learn. These experiments prove that maybe not only animals can have memory. Plants also have memory, just like the experimental group. Maybe they also can have wisdom. So next time when you want to harm the plants, you need to be careful, because they maybe will remember who harmed them, or they have wisdom to hurt you, just like our human. If someone hurt you, you want to hurt them back, right? Okay, let's talk about how can we remember things. We remember things by one structure in our body called nervous system. But plants don't have the nervous system. The scientists didn't found that yet. Scientists didn't know how can plants remember things. But I guess maybe in their body have the things that similar to our nervous system can remember things, or even give them the wisdom. It is all for today. I think you'll learn more about the plants. See you next time. Bye.